On July 24, 2020, the Federal District Court held a hearing with the U.S. Department of Homeland Security regarding the current status of Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, as known as DACA. Judge Paul Grimm ordered the DHS to clarify the program status to the public within 30 days, to update USCIS website by July 31st, and to send receipt notices to pending new DACA and DACA advanced parole applicants by July 31st. This is a developing story. Hi, I'm Jae Francis Lee. I'm immigration attorney in Chicago, Schaumburg, Illinois, and Madison, Wisconsin. I'm also a college professor and first-generation immigrant. Today, I'm going to give a DACA update after the July 24th court hearing. Is DACA accepting new applicants in 2020? Currently, USCIS received new DACA requests for those who never filed a DACA request previously. However, USCIS has not accepted, approved, or denied the new DACA requests yet. USCIS has been placing new DACA requests on hold pending a policy consideration that is still ongoing at the department. USCIS website still shows the new DACA request would not be accepted, but DHS during the hearing acknowledged that website had outdated and inaccurate information. As a result, you may submit your new DACA request to USCIS now, but may need to wait for some time to learn about USCIS decision. Does USCIS accept DACA advanced parole? Currently, USCIS received DACA advanced parole application. However, USCIS has not accepted, approved, or denied the DACA advanced parole applications yet. USCIS has been placing the DACA advanced parole application on hold, pending a policy consideration that is still ongoing at the department. USCIS website still shows the DACA advanced parole would not be accepted. As a result, you may submit your DACA advanced parole applications now, but you may need to wait for some time to learn about USCIS decision. If your applications being approved, the dreamers who got married to U.S. citizen spouses would be able to travel abroad and return legally. Then, those DACA advanced parolees would be able to adjust to permanent residency without going through I-618 waiver process. Can I renew DACA in 2020? You may renew it if you currently have a valid DACA status or your DACA status expired less than 1 year ago. It will be a renewal DACA request. However, if your DACA expired more than 1 year ago or was terminated, you need to file it as initial DACA request. DACA renewal cases are not subject to USCIS hold. Stay tuned for additional videos on DACA news and USCIS updates. Contact immigration attorneys to review your eligibility and status of new renewal DACA applications and DACA advanced parole. Francis Law Center, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.